Housing and rental affordability continues to decline in Perth, driven by higher prices and interest rates. Hi, I'm Rose and I'm here to bring you the latest updates on the Perth rental market. New data from the Real Estate Institute of Australia shows that rising house prices have significantly impacted affordability for property buyers. The average Perth family now spends more than 37% of their household income on mortgage repayments, which is up from around 34% this time last year. This is based on an average weekly family income of $2,600 and average monthly loan repayments of about $4,300. Perth house prices have surged over the past year, rising nearly 18% and hitting a new median record sale of $660,000 in June. Despite the deterioration in affordability, Perth remained relatively affordable compared to the other states in Australia, where average households spent upwards of 45 to 55% of their income on mortgage repayments. Looking at the Perth rental market, affordability has also declined. The REIA affordability report shows the proportion of family income needed to meet rents increased to 23%, which is up from 21% a year earlier. In good news for renters, there are signs that the rental market is starting to stabilise. In June, the average weekly rent for houses and dwellings remained at $650 per week, whilst the average rents for units also held stable at $600 per week. These prices have remained unchanged since March, according to REIWA. Despite rents stabilising in recent months, this is more likely being driven by a softening in the top end of the market. Our property managers are still reporting high volumes of groups through rental viewings at more affordable price points, whilst demand is easing for properties priced in those higher price brackets. This is where we're only now seeing a handful of people come through viewings at a time. Homes were leased at an average of 18 days in June, which is 2 days slower than in May this year. At the end of June, REIWA listed nearly 2,500 properties online available for rent, and this represents a 3% increase from May and nearly 17% rise compared to the same time last year. In June, our team received nearly 2,000 inquiries, and this led to 162 tenant applications processed. Our team conducted 115 home opens and leased 34 properties for the month of June. Are you an investor looking for a property manager based in Perth? Feel free to reach out to us today. We provide specialist property management services tailored to your specific needs. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next month for another market update.